Welcome to our comprehensive guide on verifying Bitcoin on your PayPal account in 2025. In this video, we will cover the essentials to ensure a smooth experience. Before you start, make sure you have a PayPal account, a valid ID, and access to the internet. Let's begin by logging into your PayPal account. Open your browser and navigate to paypal.com. Enter your credentials and log in. Once logged in, click on the Crypto section. This is where you will find Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. To buy Bitcoin, choose the amount you wish to purchase. Be aware of the transaction limits, which may vary based on your account status. Enhancing your security requires identity verification. Upload a valid government ID and follow the prompts. PayPal does charge fees for performing transactions with Bitcoin. Make sure to understand these charges to avoid surprises. To keep track of your Bitcoin status, regularly visit the Crypto section and check your wallet balance. If you encounter issues during verification, please check your internet connection and confirm your ID details. Thanks for watching our guide. The integration of Bitcoin into PayPal signifies a future filled with digital currency opportunities.